Hi everyone, my name is Sasha.
I'm Joshua. I'm an Israeli immigration lawyer. And Sasha, you have some questions for me?
That's right, I do. I have some questions about inviting my girlfriend to Israel to stay with me and maybe to live with me forever.
Wow, so first of all, congratulations.
Thank you.
Sounds like you found the love of your life.
One can hope.
So, where is she from, first of all?
She's from the Ukraine.
Okay, so citizens of the Ukraine can come into Israel without a visa in advance, but still, because you're in a serious relationship and you want her to come to live with you permanently, from what I understand in Israel, it's very wise and it's the right thing, and you're going according to the Minister of Interior and Immigration regulations if you receive in advance permission for her to enter Israel.
Okay, how do I go about obtaining that permission?
So first of all, you need to go to the Ministry of Interior office next to where you live, and there you submit invitation and to open a file of joint life request.
What do I need to do to submit that application?
So basically in the first stage, you need to pay a certain fee and also collect various documents that show who you are, your relationship, and who she is. So there are three types of documents at the beginning. First of all, documents that have to do with her birth certificate, a document that shows that she doesn't have a criminal record, and also a marriage certificate, but I understand you're not married, but also a document that shows that she's not married to someone else. So these are documents that come from the Ukraine. They all need to be notarized and with international authentication, and also translated by a notary public that speaks Ukrainian here in Israel into Hebrew or English. The second type of documents are documents that have to do with you, your job, to show that you have an apartment, basically to show that you can sustain her while she's here together with you. And then documents that are very important have to do with both of you to prove that you're really in an authentic relationship, because just saying, oh, we're friends, we know each other, this is not enough. You have to back it with all kinds of documents.
Right, what kind of documents?
So first of all, if you're communicating via WhatsApp or Skype or anyway Zoom, you have to keep a record of these communications. Then you can bring photos. I understand that you visited her already in the Ukraine once.
That is correct.
So hopefully, I'm sure that you have photos together. You can also show your flight ticket, anything that shows. You have to also start really thinking how someone else will look from the outside in your relationship. Try to make a journal, log and collect anything that shows things you've done together. This will help when you're actually presenting your case at the Minister of Interior to say, look, we have photos, we went to a movie, we took a vacation together, anything you have that shows the authenticity that you're really in an authentic, real relationship.
Thank you, Joshua.
So thank you and good luck, and thank you for listening.